Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves quick access to your favorite websites, then today's tutorial is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you how to add and customize the Favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. This is the 2025 full guide. Whether you're new to Edge or just want a cleaner, faster browsing experience, stick with me until the end and you'll have your favorite sites ready in just a few clicks. Enable the Favorites bar first, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Look to the top right corner and click on the three dots. This is the menu icon. From the drop-down, choose Settings. On the left sidebar, select Appearance. Scroll down to the section called Toolbar. Here you'll find the option labeled Favorites bar with a drop-down menu. You have two choices. Always, this keeps the Favorites bar visible on every page for one-click access, only on new tabs. This shows the bar only when you open a new tab, giving you a cleaner look while you browse. Pick the option that suits you best, and the Favorites bar will instantly appear just below the address bar. Add websites to the Favorites bar. Now, let's fill that bar with the sites you visit the most. Navigate to any website you'd like to save, maybe your email, a work dashboard, or a favorite news site. Look to the far right of the address bar and click the star icon. This opens the Add to Favorites pop-up. Here you can rename the favorite to something short and clear like work mail or recipes. Under Save Location, make sure it's set to Favorites bar. Finally, click Done, and you'll see the site instantly appear on the bar for easy one-click access. And that's it. Your Favorites bar is set up and ready to keep your top sites just a click away. If this guide helped you, hit the like button and share it with anyone who wants to speed up their browsing. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips and full guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy surfing!